Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're changing the battery on our 2021 Toyota Tundra. So this should be the same overall as the Tundra and for the Toyota Sequoia that are the V8 models. The two that I have are identical here under the hood. So we're going to go ahead and start by taking a 10 millimeter deep socket. So the deep socket is going to help to go over the studs for our battery tie down, and it's the same size for the battery terminals as well. So we're going to go ahead and come in here, and the trick to this is you don't have to take the nuts for this off all the way. We only have to loosen enough that we can then wiggle the bracket out. So the bracket goes down each side, and it has a J hook that goes into the body. So once these are loose enough just to kind of move around and wiggle, you can just turn them sideways and then just have them detach from where they go into the body of the truck. After that, you can just lift this out and out of the way, and that seems to be the easiest way to do it. It keeps everything together. Now, for the battery terminals, the positive side is on our left side here. There is a cover that shows that, but if you can't see that, and one way to tell is the size of the terminals. You'll notice the positive side is bigger than the negative side. Make sure you don't get a battery that says R. That's not for racing. That can mean reverse polarity. We're going to go ahead and start with the negative side over here, our 10 millimeter socket. We're taking that off. And now we're going to move over to the positive side. And then we're going to do the reverse when it's time to install the battery. So make sure you take the ground off first, followed by the positive side. And so you just loosen these up enough to kind of wiggle them off and set them out of the side. Now you can lift the battery straight up and out. Just be careful as you do so that you don't pinch any wires or the cables. Kind of get your hand under the left-hand side. Now we can remove this tray as well. This is what the battery sits on. As you see, there's two little posts built into the bottom, and they find their way into the two holes there. And it's a good opportunity now to also clean down in here and get everything clean. Careful if there's any moistness, that can be battery acid, so don't touch anything that's moist. All right, we're going to put our new battery in and make sure that we have positive on the left and the negative or ground on the right-hand side. We're going to put our tie down in here. So now put these J hooks down in each of the holes, one on this side and the other down in here. Just make sure that they're going into the hole. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten these both down with the 10 millimeter. It helps to kind of hold this with the back of your hand here as you ratchet this down. Just make sure no metal touches these posts at the same time. Next, you're gonna pull right here. Remove that cap. We're gonna do the red or positive side first. Make sure that you got a battery that's not R. R is reverse polarity, so you wanna make sure that you do have the positive side on this side. And again, it's a bigger terminal, so the negative side should be smaller and should be black. And that's how you make sure that that's right. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one down. Okay, make sure that that's snug. You don't want to crunch it too bad, but just make sure it's good and tight. Now we'll move over to the negative side. So we're just pulling up on this again to remove the cap. And sometimes you get a little bit of a spark when you do this. Go ahead and put that on. And now our 10 millimeter again. We're going to tighten this side down. And make sure that it's good and snug, but you don't want to do it too tight and break anything. So now we're all set. So time to start it to test it. Now, sadly, I have had some friends who've hooked their batteries up backwards, and I'll show you some videos I've made on how to diagnose and fix that if that happens. Hopefully it hasn't happened in your case. But thanks for watching. Check the video description for a full playlist on this truck and other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.